Welcome back to Natural Health Secrets, your go-to channel for natural remedies that support your health and well-being. Today, we're tackling a topic that many people are struggling with: anxiety. Whether it's the pressures of daily life, work stress, or just feeling overwhelmed, anxiety can impact both your mind and body. But what if there was a natural way to help calm your mind? In today's video, we're diving into 6 essential vitamins that can help reduce anxiety and support a calm, focused state of mind. These vitamins have been studied for their ability to balance mood, reduce stress, and support the nervous system, all of which play a crucial role in how you feel mentally and emotionally. Stick with us until the end to learn how these vitamins can help you feel more at ease naturally. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Natural Health Secrets for more tips on how to support your health naturally. Let's jump in. Understanding anxiety, what causes it? Anxiety is a natural response to stress and is often triggered by life events, work pressures, or even personal health concerns. It's a feeling of worry, nervousness, or fear that can range from mild to severe. While a certain amount of anxiety is normal, chronic or intense anxiety can interfere with your daily life. Common symptoms include persistent worrying or overthinking, difficulty concentrating, feeling restless or on edge, sleep disturbances, physical symptoms like headaches, stomach issues, or muscle tension. One of the main factors behind anxiety is an imbalance in brain chemicals, particularly neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid. These chemicals are essential for regulating mood, relaxation, and stress. Nutrient deficiencies, particularly in key vitamins, can worsen these imbalances, making it harder for your brain to calm itself down. Here's the good news. Certain vitamins have been shown to naturally reduce anxiety, support brain health, and help your body manage stress more effectively. Let's explore the 6 vitamins that can help calm your mind. 1. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin for mental health. Vitamin D is essential for more than just strong bones. It's also critical for your mental health. Research shows that vitamin D helps regulate mood and emotional stability by influencing the production of serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter that plays a key role in reducing anxiety. Studies suggest that low levels of vitamin D are linked to higher rates of anxiety and depression. A 2015 study published in the Journal of Affective Disorders found that people with anxiety often have lower levels of vitamin D, and supplementing with this vitamin can improve mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety. How to get it? Spend time in the sun, as your body naturally produces vitamin D when your skin is exposed to sunlight. You can also include foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products in your diet, or consider taking a vitamin D3 supplement. 2. Vitamin B complex, supporting the nervous system and brain function. The B complex vitamins, which include B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B3, niacin, B6, pyridoxine, B9, folic acid, and B12, cobalamin, are known for their role in supporting the nervous system and brain function. These vitamins help regulate the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which are essential for maintaining a calm and balanced mood. Dr. David Michulon, a researcher at Harvard Medical School, notes that B vitamins, particularly B12 and B6, are crucial for brain health and emotional stability. A deficiency in these vitamins can increase anxiety levels. B vitamins also help the body manage stress more effectively by supporting the production of energy from food and reducing the impact of stress hormones like cortisol. B vitamins also reduce the physical symptoms of anxiety, such as fatigue and muscle tension. How to get it? B vitamins are found in foods like whole grains, leafy greens, poultry, eggs, and dairy products. You can also consider taking a B complex supplement if you're not getting enough from your diet. 3. Vitamin C, antioxidant protection against stress. Vitamin C is often associated with immune health, but it's also a powerful antioxidant that protects your brain and body from the damaging effects of stress. When you're stressed or anxious, your body produces free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to anxiety. Vitamin C helps neutralize these free radicals and reduce inflammation in the brain, which can ease feelings of anxiety. A study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry showed that participants who took vitamin C experienced lower levels of stress and anxiety compared to those who didn't. The study also found that vitamin C can lower cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for the fight-or-flight response. How to get it? Incorporate more citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits into your diet, as well as bell peppers, strawberries, and broccoli. If you need extra support, a vitamin C supplement can help. 4. Magnesium, nature's relaxation mineral. Magnesium is often called nature's tranquilizer because of its ability to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. It plays a crucial role in regulating GABA, a neurotransmitter that helps your brain and nervous system calm down. When magnesium levels are low, GABA production is reduced, leading to increased feelings of anxiety and restlessness. A 2017 review in the Nutrients Journal concluded that magnesium supplementation can be effective in reducing mild anxiety and improving mood. Magnesium also helps ease muscle tension, reduce headaches, and promote better sleep, all common symptoms of anxiety. How to get it? You can find magnesium in foods like spinach, almonds, avocados, dark chocolate, and pumpkin seeds. You may also want to consider a magnesium supplement to ensure you're meeting your daily needs. 5. Omega-3. Fatty acids, supporting brain health and reducing anxiety. While not a vitamin, omega-3 fatty acids deserve a mention due to their incredible benefits for mental health. Omega-3s are essential fats that support brain function and have been shown to reduce symptoms of anxiety by improving the balance of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychiatry found that individuals who took omega-3 supplements experienced a significant reduction in anxiety levels, particularly those with social anxiety. Omega-3s also help reduce inflammation in the brain, which is linked to anxiety and depression. How to get it? Omega-3s are found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as in chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. If you're not consuming these regularly, a high-quality fish oil supplement can provide the omega-3s your brain needs. 6. Zinc, regulating mood and supporting mental balance. Zinc is a trace mineral that plays an important role in regulating neurotransmitter function and maintaining a healthy brain. Low levels of zinc have been linked to anxiety, depression, and other mood disorders. Zinc helps support the production of serotonin and dopamine, helping to keep your mood stable and your mind calm. A study published in the Journal of Affective Disorders found that zinc supplementation, in combination with antidepressants, significantly improved anxiety symptoms in participants. Zinc's ability to regulate the brain's response to stress makes it a key player in managing anxiety naturally. How to get it? Zinc-rich foods include pumpkin seeds, cashews, chickpeas, oysters, and red meat. If your diet is low in zinc, you might want to consider a zinc supplement, especially during times of increased stress. How to incorporate these vitamins into your routine. Now that you know which vitamins can help manage anxiety, how can you start incorporating them into your daily routine? Here are a few tips. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on whole foods that are rich in the vitamins mentioned above. Incorporating more leafy greens, nuts, seeds, fish, and fruits will ensure you're getting the nutrients your brain needs to manage stress. Consider supplements. If you find it challenging to get all these vitamins through food alone, supplements can be an effective way to fill in any gaps. Make sure to choose high-quality supplements and consult a healthcare provider to determine the right dosage. Stay active. Regular exercise can help reduce anxiety by boosting the production of endorphins, which are your body's natural mood elevators. Practice mindfulness. In addition to vitamins, consider incorporating stress relief practices like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing to help calm your mind and manage anxiety. Thank you for tuning in to Natural Health Secrets. If you're struggling with anxiety, remember that natural solutions, like adding these 6 essential vitamins, can make a significant difference in how you feel. Your body is always sending you signals, and listening to what it needs, whether that's better nutrition or more relaxation, can help you regain balance and peace of mind. Don't forget to subscribe to Natural Health Secrets for more natural health tips. Let us know in the comments which vitamins you're planning to incorporate into your routine, and share your experiences with us. Here's to a calmer, more peaceful you.